your new images aren't showing, there's a few methods to get Amazon to finally approve them. Then obviously method number one is using your image manager. This one usually works a lot better than edit the listing. So you're just going to go here in the top left corner, and then there's going to be a catalog button right here. Let's see, catalog, upload images. And then you're going to see it's going to look like this. And then this is where you can upload your images, right? All of the sides, everything. Try to fill it completely up to the brim. And if it says registered brand owner, it's going to be a lot easier to even get this approved. But definitely attempt this method first because the other ones are a little bit difficult. Now, the next method is going to be doing an inventory file update. Super boring, but what you're going to do is go into Amazon and then go into reports, go into inventory reports. Once you're in inventory reports, you're going to do the drop down. You're going to go to category listings report. If you don't see this, you actually have to ask Amazon to approve it. So you can take a screenshot of this and say, hey, Amazon, please enable my category listings report. And then they'll enable it. Yes, that actually works. After that, you're going to download it. Once you download your catalog listings report, it's going to look something like this right here. It's going to have every single one of your listings on here. It's going to have most of the data filled out. You're just going to delete all of them except for the one that you want to update. So let's say I just want this one to be updated right here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to column D and I'm going to change it to full update. Make sure it looks like this. I'm going to go to column 2. I'm going to press this button right here, click that, and then you're going to do Control F, and then you're going to type in image. Now it's going to take you to all the images. So now you need to upload the images, right? And it's going to do a full update, and you definitely need to do this in order for it to work. Now to get the image URLs, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your inventory, right? So you're going to go to manage inventory. Then you're going to click edit on your inventory listing. Once you're done that, then it's time to actually upload your images to your inventory. So here it is. So let's say I uploaded all my images. So just upload them. Do not click save and finish. Just upload them. Then you're going to right click and click copy image address. Now it's only going to give you a temporary image address that lasts like 24 to 48 hours. So you can see it's like a temporary CloudFront one. This is actually Amazon's. So just copy this and you're going to paste those in to your spreadsheet. So I'm going to paste this one in, and then second one I'll paste here, 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 here. Anyway, you save this spreadsheet, right? Fill it out to the best of your ability with all your information, but save that spreadsheet. Then you're going to upload them. So you're going to go to add products via upload, and then click upload file. After that, it's going to see check upload status right here. So check your upload status. And it's going to show up right here with a batch ID. So you're going to download you're going to save that one sheet, the one that's edited and that you uploaded that, save that sheet, copy the batch ID, and then you're going to contact Amazon and say, hello, I would like to transfer me to the catalog team, right? Here's my batch ID. I need my images updated. Push it through. And then they can actually go in, just to tell them that you attach the sheet, here's the batch ID. They can actually go in and then pretty much push everything through. So this is going to be the easiest way, especially if you get a good catalog person at Amazon. It's called the catalog team. So make sure that you do that. So that's way number 2. Way number 3 is if you have a website. So for example, if we are selling this product and the images won't update, what we can do is contact Amazon and say, hey, the images are wrong on Amazon. Here's the manufacturer's website. And this is the UPC code on the website. So the manufacturer's website obviously needs to have the UPC code, the same one that's on Amazon, and all the pictures that you want. You're going to take a screenshot of this. You're going to send Amazon the URL. You can say, look, this is the manufacturer's website. the images on Amazon are wrong. Please update the images. I already did a batch ID. Here it is. Push this through. What Amazon is showing is incorrect. This is literally the manufacturer's website. It even has the UPC code. Now, the trick for this one is you do need the UPC code in order for Amazon to trust the website. But after that, there is an extremely high chance that as long as you get somebody that knows that is actually doing their job, they will push everything through and you'll be good to go. You can also have your own website and do this. And that's pretty much one of the tricks of the trade. But that's pretty much it. Of course, if you do need help on Amazon, go to our website. It's right in the description. You can get a free listing audit. We're going to audit your entire listing, see how to improve traffic, sales, conversion, SEO. And the best part is we're going to be honest with you, give you honest feedback. Look at your top competitors, look at your top improvements, and tell you, hey, look, you're only ranking this high. Your SEO isn't that good. This is what you need to do. And it's completely free for you. That way we can just do a quick little audit and give back to you. It's great practice for us. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content. It's going to help you in your Amazon journey. Of course, if you need help with increasing sales, updating your images, or anything regarding Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Our most popular service is our full account Amazon management. So we'll manage your entire account, customer service, updating images, contacting Amazon support 7 days a week, running your ads, and most importantly, growing your sales. That way you can focus on growing your business while we're growing your sales. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.